It's important to find a drug crime lawyer that will best represent your case. Here are some important questions to ask before choosing a lawyer. Question 1. What is your level of experience? You want to be sure that your prospective attorney has experience handling drug crime cases. This type of offense is unique, and you need someone who knows the ins and outs of the law. This will play a substantial role in determining what type of results you can get. Although working with an experienced attorney doesn't always mean that you won't reach your goals, they will be less likely to do so. Question 2. How many cases have you handled? In addition to the level of experience, you also want to ask your prospective attorney how many cases they have handled. This will give you a better idea of whether or not they are familiar with drug crime offenses. If they've only worked on a handful of cases, they may not be as prepared as someone who has handled dozens or even hundreds. Of course, you should also consider their track record. An attorney who has handled a large number of cases likely won't be able to meet your needs if they do not have a high success rate. They should have no issue providing you with information about this topic. After all, reputable attorneys would be proud to show off their expertise. Question 3. What are the likely outcomes of my case? No attorney can guarantee a specific outcome, but they should be able to give you an idea of what to expect. A good drug crime attorney will be honest with you about the potential outcomes of your case. They will also be able to tell you what the best and worst case scenarios are. Question 4. What is the likelihood of going to trial? Before you move forward, you need to know the likelihood of going to trial. This will help you to better prepare for what's to come. If your attorney believes that there is a good chance of going to trial, they will begin preparing you for this possibility. Question 5. What are the potential penalties? If you're convicted of a drug crime, you could be facing serious penalties. These could include jail time, probation, and/or a fine. You need to know what the potential penalties are before you move forward with your case. This will help you to understand better what's at stake and how to best prepare for your defense. For instance, those who are looking at significant criminal punishment will need to have a much better legal defense. Question 6. What is your billing structure like? Some attorneys bill by the hour, while others may charge a flat fee. There are also some who work on a contingency basis. This means they only get paid if you win your case. Be sure to ask about the billing structure before you make your final decision. The last thing you want is to encounter financial surprises during your case. Question 7. How do you plan on communicating with me? Communication is key when working with an attorney. You need to know how your prospective attorney plans on communicating with you. Will they be available by phone, email, or in person? How often will they update you on the status of your case? These are essential questions to ask before you make your final decision. So don't neglect your obligation to look into how you can expect to communicate with them. Hiring a drug crime lawyer is a big decision. Want to learn more about what we can do? Be sure to reach out to us today and see how we can help you. And if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe.